Hello. Good morning or evening. Hello there, Olisha. Good to see you. Ollie, good morning or evening. Sorry. Who knows where you guys at? Good morning, Rob. Hello. What's up? What's up? New week, new opportunities, right? Daishan, hey there, yo. Trading for pips. Good morning. Oh, there you go. 11 p.m. Yeah. Yannick, hey there. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Good to see everybody. Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go, Nicholas. 11 p.m. Yeah. Let's see what the London session does. All right. Let's go through some time frames here, some charts, you know. You should be sleeping. Yeah, I guess it's that time. Do we have some news today, by the way? We're expecting manufacturing PMI numbers, but nothing in the Europe session. So, Jason, good evening. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it. We're going for those highs, which was, yeah, overnight high. We could go for it. We could go for it. All right. What levels do we have? No fair value gaps. No order blocks that I like. Maybe this one down here. Yeah. At 967 could be, but no, it's not a strong one, but could be. Who knows? To social. What? Oh, to California, to meet your wife. Man, I don't know you. You have some kind of a. It seems like you have some kind of a plan for me. All right. All right. Good morning, Dark Cloud. What up, Paul? Hey there. Yeah, Naomi. Welcome. Good morning, Naomi, or evening. Let's see. Jason has some plan. I see that. All right. Earthquake in California. Really? Whoa. What up? What up? Fun times. Exactly. All right. Under 15 minutes. There is a gap down there. I'm looking for the Asia lows as well. Where would that be? I would say that Asia low officially would be down there, right? I mean, the best would be to say the 863. I'm gonna go with that for now, since that's the official open. It might not be the same for you guys, but I'm gonna go with the 863 because it's actually close. Yeah, it's closer. So we'll see. We're having low-key small earthquakes. Whoa. Whoa. That's interesting. Olisha is at work. Hey, thanks for listening there. Yeah, I almost lost it. I definitely almost did. Look at this, man. Wow. Possible short setup here, maybe? Who knows? Who knows? Is this one to go down to 54, maybe? It seems like it. Enter the short position as my probe trade for the morning. Okay, so that's gonna be my probe trade, probe position. But that's it. Yeah, I see. Well, that's a good strategy there, Alicia. Yeah, Bulenox is 1 day pass. It's now back to 83% from 91. I mean, it's still a good deal, though. Dildo. I said dildo. Okay. I just said dildo. All right. It's still a good deal, though. Have a plus on high frequency scalps. Not particularly, Jason. I went over the master account rules, and you know, no specific sections about algorithmic trading, but you know. Let me check though the codes. Oh, it's still. Hold on, it's still 91%. Oh, it's still 91%. All right, never mind then. Because I accidentally changed. Okay, it's still 91% then. I'm sorry. It's still. I have to, because I already, you know, because last time they announced it on the affiliate tab, it was like ending at the last day of February. So, you know, so Bulenox is at 91%. My mistake then. Still 91%. Good to know. I mean, they change it all the time. They absolutely change it all the time. Where is it? No. So 91%. Let me change the banner. All right, we have it now. 91%, so sorry about that. 91%. Yeah, I see where my mind is. Oh, thank you so much, Ollie. Hey, do 50Ks, let's go. Yeah, take it slow and good luck with the accounts. Pass the Take Profit Trader on Friday. All right, congratulations. That's awesome, man. Oh, thank you, Alicia. They don't have trade weight, unfortunately. They have Rhythmic, so anything that you can connect with Rhythmic, so you can trade with NinjaTrader, ETS, Quantower. These are the ones that you can go with. Yeah. Reza, hey, good morning. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Quantower, yeah. Thank you, John Wick. Thank you. Yeah, it would be nice to get a VWAP. András, jó reggelt, good morning. Reza, good to see you again. I don't know how the things are going with TickTickTrader. I got a call from my affiliate manager from TickTickTrader. Actually, he called me on the phone regarding the email, and he only told me that he forwarded the message, and they tried to come up with an exception or with the solution, but it's not his department, but he forwarded the message. That's all I know. I hope something positive is happening there. I really hope so. I really, really, really hope so. Did not pay me and the processed refund. Fuck. Damn. Damn, Reza, man. Oh, man. I don't like that. I don't like that thing. That is absolutely like, that's way out of line. They only do a refund. That's not something I like. That is absolutely, oh man. I feel like that is just a huge effing excuse, you know, from TickTickTrader. I don't like that. Man. Robert, good morning. Can you copy trade 3 accounts? Yes, you can, Jason. The only thing you have to be aware of that Bulenox don't wants you to copy trade between other prop firms, but so far other traders said to me that they are copy trading still on their master account between other prop firms, and they still got payouts. So I don't know. Whereas I don't know what to say, man. That is really annoying to be in a situation. I mean, TickTickTrader is in Dubai, but you know, I think they also have a registration in the US as or something. I saw some registration in the US, but yes, he was trading from Afghanistan. He was trading from, but it was before they come up with the new rules. So I think they just changed that because of him. By the way, I can absolutely see that. I mean, he was waiting for a nice payout there. Man, that is just not good. Yeah, Jason, so you can copy trade, but Reza, I don't know what to say, man. I mean, worst part is that I ruined my payout with 35 with 9K. Oh my God, Reza. Reza, you. I mean, I know you can make it back. I'm not worried about you getting back to funded accounts again, but you only had accounts with Tradeify and TickTick, right? Because of no restrictions there, right? I mean, you weren't trading with MyFundedFutures or Take Profit or Top Step, whatever. So that those were your two main ones for funded right now, as I understand. Yeah, but you know, yeah, Naomi. But the thing is that he was officially okay with the papers. You know, everything was okay. The only reason, so they did the KYC and everything with him. Everything checked out because he has papers from Dubai. And the only reason they were not paying him is because he opened some trades when he was visiting his family in Afghanistan. And that's the issue, you know. They were tracking his IP address. And that is really not good. Like, oh man. He's okay. He has papers from United Arab Emirates. So he's all right. But you know, the problem is TickTickTrader now, you know, put in their rules that if you're visiting to a country which is restricted or banned, you cannot trade from there. That's the problem. Yeah, exactly. Crazy. Yeah, exactly, Reza. Trading's supposed to be freedom. What if somebody has a job who travels around the world and trades from his or her laptop, you know, and you know, and he gets banned, he or she gets banned wherever. Anyway, that's just not right. And to be honest, that really shook my trust in TickTickTrader, because to me, it feels like that this was a lame excuse. They could have just said that, okay, we make one exception because they changed the rules after. So it was not in the rules before. They changed the rules after. And they could have just said, all right, we're going to make an exception here, but this is the last time. Okay, next time be careful, blah, blah, blah. And if they would have done that, that would be an absolutely awesome move from them if they would have done that. Because business is business, and I get it. But they could have made an exception. I don't know how much they're making, obviously, on a monthly basis. But this is just not good marketing, especially when I also told them in email that we have a community here talking about the situation, and it's just not good marketing for them. And on the other hand, I mean, they did pay out a lot of traders in the past years, so that's why it makes this situation, I don't know. Yeah. This is a sell trade, Leah. I got into a sell. Looking for some lower levels. So looking for that fair value gap down there. But nothing special. This would be my morning probe trade, if I can say that. Man. So at this time, I want to open my personal account and focus on it. I want to start a personal account at 5K. You know what? I completely understand, Reza. I completely understand. Were you trading with other prop firms as well, unfunded or wherever? I mean, or you were focusing on the live accounts on Tradeify and TickTickTrader? I guess those were the two that you mentioned, right? I mean, you don't have to answer if you didn't, but still, you know, no account from now, only Tradeify, yeah. Yeah. Man. I have to rethink about the situation with TickTickTrader, because that is something I don't really like. That they deny people like that on a shady excuse. This is a shady excuse from TickTickTrader. It's a very lame and shady excuse. Not gonna lie. Sorry, let me read the chat. I forgot to read some of yours. Good morning, Raphael. So with TikTok Trader, you have to trade once a week. Can you trade the news? News trading is not allowed, the red folder news, and once a week, yes. Like usually with other prop firms, you know. Exactly, Naomi. Exactly. I agree. NPM, hey there, that's why I always should trade from dedicated IP, except that doesn't work well with daily trader funding. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Nice try, wise guy. Hello. Bowser, what's up? Good to see you. How much money is best if I want to trade myself? Well, if you have the skill, obviously it depends on your track record. I mean, how is your trading history? If you have the skill and the confidence, and of course depending on how much profit are you aiming for. If you want to make $1,000 every day, obviously you need like $100,000 in my opinion. I would say to start with on a personal account, it should be somewhere around the minimum balance should be around $1,500 to $2,000. The bare minimum balance to start with should be around 1,500 or 2K. Ideally, I would say if I would start with a personal account, which I'm thinking, by the way, I think I would start with 2,000-ish dollars, 2,000, and I would trade with micros, 1 or 2 micros usually. You know, that's what I would do. I think I should have focused on the top step. They paid me with no issue, yeah. Or top step, exactly. Exactly, Reza, I completely get it. I don't know what to say. Yeah, TikTok Trader has a good deal right now with the 100K. There's a promo if you check it, but this is just really not a good situation. Denying a payout only because of this. Yeah, they have a straight to sim funded. Yeah, Alicia. If you check out my channel's community posts, there's still today is the last day of a sale on the instant funded accounts and the 25K evaluation account. The biggest discount right now is on the 100K instant funded account. 1 to 2K. All right. Nice try, wise guy. I would say with 1 to 2K per day, I think you would need like $100,000 or at least 70K. I think. I know, Reza. I know. And you know what, Reza? You were always a gentleman. Oh, look at that. We just hit TP. You were always a real nice fellow, and I really appreciate you being here with us in the community, and that's why it's actually it feels bad because if anyone is new or newish on this channel, I must say that Reza is taking constant payouts from prop firms, Top Step, MyFundedFutures, you know, all around. And, you know, being denied for a payout. So he's an absolutely genuine and real trader, and being denied for a payout just because you were visiting family in a restricted country, that is lame and shady excuse from any prop firm. Any. And I wasn't really expecting this from TikTok Trader, to be honest. Anyway. No, I don't have experience with them, Bad Mouse. I heard about them. But I haven't tried them. So far, I'm trading also as a new prop firm with the day traders, by the way. No monthly fee on the evaluation accounts. I'm not pushing day traders that much after Profit Trade and Fast Track trading last year. I was very much fell in love with Profit Trade because of their rules and vision, and they were also based in United Arab Emirates, and they were having a good platform and everything, and they went bankrupt in about 2 months. So I decided not to push too much on new prop firms. I'm gonna stay with the quote-unquote older ones or well-established ones. Like TickTickTrader is in business since a few years. They have thousands of reviews on Trustpilot. And I talked to some people on their Discord in private who received payouts. So I am sure that TickTickTrader paid people. There's lots of people over the last few years. And that's why, you know. Anyway, so I'm trading with day traders as a new prop firm as well. But I'm not pushing them so much. I'm also affiliated with them. But not really picking up new prop firms at this point. I hope that the regulations will come in as soon as possible this year. I'm really hoping for regulations. The 100K account is down to... Let me check it. Let me check it. It's $329, the 100K core account. $329, sorry, $329. And you can trade on TradeAwait, Project X. I think maybe you can connect through TradingView. I think they give you a NinjaTrader license as well because it's on TradeAwait. Not sure. But it's the cheapest 100K instant funded account right now, as far as I know. But it's you have to go with the code TomSabo100. TomSabo100 for the 100K. I mean, you can check the promo. I think. Because I was 1 day short. I think it was on tilt. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Vietnam in the summer. Yeah, don't push the button in Vietnam, Ali. Ali, don't push the button. Or maybe you can write an email to them. I'm not sure if that's possible, but I have to rethink the situation with TickTickTrader. Oh, 2K, 40K, yeah, maybe after taxes. Once I'll be back in Dubai, I'll get again 3 account and I will trade only in. That's the spirit. That's the spirit, Reza. I'm actually picking up a instant funded account with them as well. I think that's why I was a little bit concerned, because I want to get a instant funded account, but I cannot connect with Quant Hours, so I might gonna have to get used to TradeAwait, which I don't really like. I'm not a TradeAwait person, but stock networks. Hey there. Yeah, I saw some drama with Patrick Whelan and the FFF. I saw some drama on Twitter. Robert, good morning. I think 20%, Alicia. 20% consistency rule. Yeah, it was a nice short there. Yeah, Afghanistan is on there. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, NPM. Yes, yes. Or VPN. Yes, bad mouse. Maybe a Chicago VPN. For the payout, I think you need minimum 8 or let me check because it differs. Hold on. Uh, oh, sorry. It says on their website, are there any minimum trading days? To qualify for a proposed bank, you have to reach the profit target that corresponds to the plan you have purchased while making sure, respective. As of July 1st, 2022, there will be no minimum trading days required to validate your account. However, there is no maximum days required to validate your account as long as for a payout, I'm saying. So, are there minimum trading days? No minimum trading days required. Maybe I'm wrong. Pandora, hey, good to see you. Hey, no problem. Hey, good to see you back. Hope you're doing well. Even Top Step is not recommending visiting when visiting family. Wow. Malo, hey, the man is here. No trading. Yeah, it's a bit of an interesting session here. I'm also waiting here. I would like to take a reversal to go long, to be honest, Malo. Hey, Reza, thank you for the update. And listen, I will catch up with you. I wish you really the best. Thank you for being here and you know, talk soon. All right. Thank you for the info. Yeah. Yeah. So everybody, unfortunately, it's an issue. I think maybe not just with TikTok Trader, but it seems like that if you travel to a restricted country and you trade from there, even if you were applied for a live account or a simulated live account, that could be an issue for receiving payouts, it seems like. Man. Yes, Tradeify and TikTok Trader, I mean, as far as, you know, these companies are growing, they're doing good. Yeah, Pandora, so they are still doing okay. I mean, TikTok Trader is much older than Tradeify. Tradeify has started last year, October. TikTok Trader started like 3 or 4 years ago. So that's why I was surprised on this issue that Reza Banks had here with the payout. And if you just tuned in, I'm just going to repeat it real fast. He was applied for a funded account with TikTok Trader, KYC, everything checked out, and he just traveled to Afghanistan to visit family for 2 weeks. He pushed a few trades there, and he got denied for payout because the IP address showed Afghanistan. So, but the interesting thing is that they put this into the rules just like about 2 weeks after this incident happened. It was not in the rules before. So that's a little bit shady. I don't like that kind of thing. Yeah, micro scalping on TikTok Trader is not something they welcome. They want you to hold the trades over 10 seconds at least. They have an automatic system now for that. So if you close a trade in a few seconds, that can actually lock you out from your account. I don't know, or close the account. I have to check on those. If you're traveling to a country restricted to them, then you can trade. Okay, so Yes, so TopStep doesn't like it either. Use VPS. Okay. So TopStep doesn't like you to trade on a restricted country either. Yeah, it's the OFAC list, Pandora. These countries on the OFAC sanction list or something like that. So the United States cannot do business or trading, and not just, you know, stock trading or anything like trading activities or financial activities or any kind of business. Not literally any kind of business, but financial activities are restricted in these countries. TopStep banned VPS this weekend. That's a new one. TopStep banned VPS. All right. Yeah, Robert, that's a good decision. I mean, with Take Profit Trader, as I said, with Tick Trader, this issue really raises some questions. But, you know. Should I take a long trade here? I might take a long. I put in a buy limit at 55.50. Okay, I got triggered. All right, I'm in a buy position. So we had a nice short, and now I'm just turning back to a buy here. Steam, welcome. Reset if you're 100% sure. Oh, I didn't see that. Let's talk psychology. Hey, real folks, what's up? What's up? What makes you press the button every day, even after losses? That's a good question. The greed, you know, greed is good, you know. Yeah. By the way, be careful. Be careful, yeah, with these VPN services. Yeah, by the way, exactly, Naomi, very good information. I just wanted to say that, but I forgot. They can actually see if you are using a VPN or VPS. They can see it if that's a VPN service or VPS server, whatever. They can see it. They have the knowledge, the technology, whatever software they use, but they see if you are trading with a VPN server. Yeah, we'll see where it goes. We'll see where it goes, real folks. Yeah, I blew that tape return account. It's the I opened 55. Oh, the death candle. Yeah, that happens. Basically, over 5 minutes, you know, 1500 can happen in like a few seconds. Yeah, virtual private network. Mini PC for 600 euros. So I always have some. I see. Paul, here right now it's 8:39 in the morning. 8:39 in the morning. And we'll soon be approaching the London Open. Yeah, I'm 6 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time. I'm in the future. Oh, 11:40. 11. Oh yeah, in California. Yes. You're in the past. Yeah, I'm in the future. You guys in the past. Pare, good morning. Today's then 1 week holiday in Canary Islands. Woohoo! Man, I was in the Canary Islands, by the way. Ha! Well, it was like, when was I? I was like, oh man, it was 11 years ago. 11 years ago, imagine that. I'm gonna tell you the secret. Maybe some of you don't know, but I was married once. I was married once, and my honeymoon was in the Canary Islands, and we were having the honeymoon there. Yeah. 9:40 in Finland. Well, how should I put this? There was red flags all over the place. So the first thing is that I married to my high school sweetheart. You know, that's a red flag. I mean, not always. Obviously, there are exceptions, and God bless, right? But usually, you know, it's not always. At least the ones that I know who did that didn't ended up good. So I married to my high school sweetheart. We were together in high school, and we meet up again in 2012. We met up again, and we were together for almost 2 years. And we just, you know, one day we just woke up and said, we should just get married. You know, we should just get married because everything is so awesome, blah blah blah. And yeah, so I was more stupid. I mean, I'm stupid now. I'm crazy. But back then, I was even more. I was a complete idiot. And so we were like, yeah, sure. Let's get married. You know, why not? So we got married. And about a year later that we got married, we already knew that this is just, it's not the thing that we were expecting. She had a different lifestyle. I mean, different personalities, and we realized that when we moved together, even before being married. But we thought that if we got married, everything's gonna line together, you know, it's gonna be super awesome. But obviously we are different personalities, that's it. And so we realized that after 1 year, too many differences, too many arguments, and it was a friendly divorce. It was an absolute friendly divorce. I had a very short marriage, very, very, very short marriage. It was a mistake, basically, and we realized that both. Different personalities. You know, in high school we were awesome, we were great, and we thought that we can do that again and just get married. It's not like that. So, she has kids now. 2 kids, and he's married. She's married again. So God bless her. I wish her the best. You know, different paths, and I'm glad it all happened this way. Green is a single potato. Hey Waldo. Hey. Yeah, we realized it early. So it was a friendly breakup. It was a friendly breakup, a friendly divorce. So, yeah, it was a real quick divorce. I will be, and my friends were actually joking with me all around, like, you will be Ross Geller from Friends, you know. I will be the guy who always gets divorced. I said, no, I won't. Yes. Typical Robert, typical. Yes, they are the real bros. Yeah. Nah, that happened. It's the way it is. But hey, the good thing, which I'm super happy for, that I found my girlfriend, who is my fiance now, and we've been together since almost 8 years now. Almost 8 years. Imagine that. Almost 8 years we've been together, and obviously we have our differences sometimes, and we argue, but we have that special thing that we understand each other, and we, everything works out just the way it should. So I'm glad that my life happened this way. But we should be holding the marriage soon. We should do the party. I have to lose weight before. I have to lose 20 kilograms. Oh, man, it's so hard to lose weight. I'm really struggling. Bite Media, hey, you're NQ long? Yeah, me too, but you caught it right there. Beautiful, beautiful entry. Yeah, I was waiting until up here, but hey, awesome. Let's go higher. And by the way, totally forgot, we still have the cash giveaway, $100 cash giveaway. Check it out in right below the stream. I mean, it's in the description right below the stream. Or there you go, Streamlabs is spamming it in the chat or in the title. If you visit that link, just fill in your email, your name. You can earn some points and be eligible for a $100 cash giveaway, which we're gonna do on I think Wednesday or Thursday. And don't worry if you're not here on the stream, it's all right, because the winner is gonna get a shout out on Twitter too, and an email. So the prize is gonna be sent. So check out the giveaway link, and $100 for a winner. All right, 190, 175. Yeah, could be. Why did I take long? I was hoping for some kind of a liquidity sweep. So let me show you here. Basically, we swept some levels, and we took liquidity from that fair value gap down there. After that, this one has basically shifted structure. So this 1 minute candle here shifted structure here. Let me show you. We had the structure shift there, bullish market structure, and then we had a displacement with the fair value gap that I really liked. So my entry was based on this here, and that's why I took it. we have some good targets up there, and I still think it should be a bullish day, but this was my thought process, you know, on this one. So yeah, we'll see. Obviously it can go down. It still has a liquidity void down there, so it can just fail. Super simple. Looking at Renko charts. Nice. I stopped eating after 1800. Oh, fasting for 14-hour sleeping. Wait, oh really? Okay, maybe I should do the same. There's a gap at 21. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. We have a nice gap up there too. To trade in Tick Trader for payout. There is no we were just, you know, on their website, Alicia, they say that here's the website. No minimum trading day is required. Sorry, no. Consistency rule, basically. Check very high time frame, but we are in a bearish flag. Let me check it on the daily. Could be. Yeah, it very well could be. And obviously we still need a down close candle, so we could continue lower. Yeah, true. True, Ollie. Yeah, that is true. That is true. I was hoping for some bullish action. Well, I mean, nothing is stopping the Nasdaq, Robert. Nothing. That gap is your first TP. Nice. Nice. Let's go, Byte Media. Any buffer? Yeah, I think it's on the website for the 100K. I think there's a buffer needed. I'm gonna check it in a second. When zero carb got the weight when I was in my 20s. Oh, so basically just going to zero carb can help. I like that, because they always tell me that everything starts in the kitchen. What is needed for buffer 100K account for payout? Have we got the payout? Got a payout? No, I haven't got a payout yet from Tick Trader. That's why I'm working on it as well. So finally I received payout from Take Profit Trader, and I'm still going with it, but Tick Trader is still on my plate. I think the tick charts are good when there is not enough volume in the markets. I think it's good to determine you know, possible targets and trends. Renko charts, I never used it. I have no idea how to use the Renko charts. Absolutely zero idea. So abs are made in the kitchen. Yeah, my friend who works in the gym keeps telling me the same sentence, like, Tom, whatever you can do whatever you want in the gym, as long as you're not doing the right thing in the kitchen. I'm just wasting my time and energy. I mean, not completely, because, you know, going to the gym is always good, but I'm not gonna have, you know, I'm not going to lose weight. I can go to the gym 5 days a week, my friend tells me. 5 days a week. If I get home and I eat all kinds of shitty stuff, nothing's gonna happen. Everything's gonna say, maybe I'm gonna get some muscle strength, but that's it. I'm not gonna lose weight. So yeah. Carb intake. It's not about calories and other bullshit. So carb intake. Okay. Yeah, cut the language. Yeah, yeah. More important than going to the gym. Yeah. They keep telling me this. Like, I can go to the gym all day. It's not gonna count as long as I'm not eating normally. I mean, not eating normal stuff. And if I eat too much carbohydrates and sugar and stuff like that, that's not gonna count. Nothing to do with human metabolism. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Withdrawal. TikTok Trader performance account. Consistency rule and payouts. Dude, it's on the web. Simply put, it is necessary to keep your daily earnings at or below 30% of overall profits. Okay, we know that. Performance account payout policy. Safety threshold $2,600 on the 50K. 100K account, 3,600 safety threshold. It's 3,600 safety threshold and 2,600 on the 50K. 1,600 on a 25K, basically, on TikTok Trader. Natasha is here. Hello, Natasha. Good morning. Good morning. But if you want to gain muscle, you're gonna want to intake calories. Yeah. Yeah. You compete. Oh, in bodybuilding. Won't see a lot of progress until you diet correctly. Yeah. Yeah, my friend keeps telling me that because the thing is, I really like to eat. I really like to eat all kinds of stuff. That's the problem. I don't know what you say for those people who like to eat, but I'm that kind of. I really like to eat. Food is my weakness. I like all kind of cuisines, all kind of kitchens. I like to taste everything. That's the problem. I really like to eat. I think, I don't know. If I would be if I would be a character in a movie, I would be like Brad Pitt in Ocean's 11. Obviously, not that good looking, just better. But like he was always holding some junk food in his hands. If you watch the movie, he was always eating some junk food. I would be that guy. New TPT eval. Hey, let's go. Natasha. Alex, good morning. Yeah. Fasting, yeah. Exactly. GZ1, good morning. Well, it seems like this position is not going well. I might even gonna close it. Maybe I should close this. Closed it. Out of the position. Technically at break even. Few dollars loss. I closed it because I was afraid that we're gonna fill this gap here, which I think we will do. We need the down close candle, and after that it's just gonna go lower to this fair value gap at 940. If it goes up, I don't care. I had a nice trade earlier. I made $204 this morning, so I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Look at this, man. I closed it and it goes up. Anyway. No way, man. Well, we have the London Open in 50 seconds. Portion control, just like having discipline with sizing your trade. Yeah. Yeah, foodaholic. Yes, GC1. I'm a foodaholic. Exactly. Yeah, real folks. I eat a lot, but my calorie intake isn't very high. It's about what you eat. Exactly. I know that I'm more handsome. No. Well, I don't know, but the market makers are watching. We have the London Open right now, so let's see. Let's see. We might go lower to fill this gap. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm out from the position. Technically at break even, so I'm okay. I am okay. Yeah. As I thought, we could be going lower. There you go. Now it repriced this small gap. And the question now remains, look at that. Beautifully repriced. Is it going to go higher? Or is it going to go for that lower gap down here? Wow, wow, wow. Look at this, man. I'm not taking it again. Okay, taking liquidity here. It can still go in both directions. Apex working at the moment. Anyone know? Yeah, I mean, let me check. My Apex connections are okay. I'm connected. Yeah, all is good on my end. I'm connected to Apex right now through Rhythmic Malo. So, yeah. I can try to disconnect and reconnect. How about that? I'm gonna disconnect from Apex and reconnect. Although I'm using Apex Europe, as you see. I'm using Apex Europe as a server. So I'm connecting again. Seems like it's connecting. Yeah, I'm connected to Apex Europe and it's working. Sometimes when there's a rhythmic connection issue, you can try different regions for servers, and you can go on with that too. Michael, good morning. I was trading Apex a few minutes ago, no problem. All right. The brand new accounts first. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Well, in my end, I'm connected to the Europe server. It's working. I haven't put on a trade, but I'm guessing it's working. It should be. Should be okay. Well, looks like the long positions could have been still good, and I closed it. Oh well. My take profit was somewhere around 90-ish, I think. Yeah, let's see. At 18, 30. Yeah. 90.75-ish. Seems like it's going for the 90s. Hmm. For now. Yeah, good luck. Good luck with the accounts. 21001 Byte Media says. All right. Marco, good morning. What's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. If it goes to 90, I'm going to have a little bit of a FOMO for closing my trade too early. But anyway, I had a nice short. Oh, man. It feels like it wants to go. There's a 5-minute gap up there, I think. Yeah. I messed it up. Look at that. Is it really gonna go there? That's the high of that. 88.25. It might not go there. But almost went there. TLA, welcome. How you doing, man? Byte Media is holding it. Living in Thailand, and it's so easy during Asia and Europe session to do easy count. Oh yeah. I mean, $100 a day. That's actually a good living, you know. That's doable. Jeff, hey there. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. I'm curious if this one wants to go for the 90s or not. There's a 5-minute gap above 88.25 on the mini. And what's the high on the micro? The micro has 88.75. So I'm curious if it wants to poke into that gap or not. It did. All right. Waiting for tonight. Oh. Okay, that's gonna be the song for today. And I could have made it, man. I closed it manually at break even, and this would have been my 1 to 2 risk to reward TP. Well, almost, maybe, but oh man, the FOMO. Trying a new trading software, nice. By the way, let's move to Thailand. Good idea. 100 is $25,000 a year. I'm telling you, Paul, here in my country, lots of people would be doing great if they would make $25,000 a year. Most people barely make $10,000 a year, unfortunately. I heard about that, Green. Some good food there. You have it on full auto? All right. That's how you do it. You know, just sit back and it does the job for you. Byte Media, I'm from Hungary. Hungary, center of Europe, almost the center of Europe. Not really. Not from Budapest, but I'm living close. Yeah. We saw. I mean, I didn't, but a friend of mine actually was in Budapest a few weeks ago, and he saw John Cena, you know, filming a new action movie, whatever. Um, and he saw John Cena and some other Hollywood stars were filming in the center of Budapest, and I was told like they told me that John Cena is gonna be filming at the exact locations they told me, and I didn't go up there to check it. I mean, not that I'm a John Cena fan. It just would have been awesome. Like, hey, John, what up? You know, tune into the stream. John Cena. Yeah. How could he see someone that's invisible? Yeah. John Cena is invisible. You can't see him. All right. Well. Yeah, maybe. I mean, yeah, but hey, I mean, that's it. That's becoming his brand, you know. Yeah. By the way, I heard that, you know, Hollywood wise and movie wise, John Cena is definitely moving higher. You know, doing more films and TV shows and stuff. You know, the higher the average income, the higher the cost of everything within any country. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, I get the joke, by the way. So, I think people were posting pictures of places, and they creating memes that is John Cena, right? Anyway, uh, uh, Trader Monk, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Well, now the question is, what is going to happen? like anyone would know, right? We are inside of the new week opening gap. So we have a new week opening gap high here and the new week opening gap low. And we're pretty much stuck here near to the midnight area. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. This is gonna be in my ear for the whole day. Yeah, it's not the only play, I think, Ollie. It's more to it. That's why I'm just waiting here. Now the tune is in your head, right? I know. It happens. You're getting chopped. Yeah. This is you see this? It's pretty much doing a chop here. Yeah, if you have a good risk to reward ratio, that's the best thing, you know. If you have a good risk to reward ratio, you should be completely okay. By the way, I submitted a payout request from Apex. Not for much. I only want to see if $517 under review. So it's under review. Let's see. Some important numbers on the calendar. France, Germany. At 9:55 Europe time. We have something here. The PMI numbers, right? Yeah, that could be interesting. Italian, French, German. Okay. I know you will get it back. I know. Real folks, you definitely can handle it. That's going down. As I thought, it's going to go down into this gap. Might even take out the swing low, which is fine. We have Asia low down there. I mean, we took liquidity from up there. If I really wanted to be aggressive, I could have taken the short from there, but feels like It wants to go for that 23. We'll see, I guess. Man, I'm gonna have this tone in my head. Really, I have to do something about this. I have to play some Jennifer Lopez songs or Backstreet Boys. I don't care. I want it that way. Well, we still have time. So, we'll see. Is it repricing higher? There's a small volume imbalance up there. Might want to go there. Not sure. Might want to go there. Let's wait for it. Oh man. I was thinking to maybe scalp it, but I'm not gonna do anything with it. I feel like it can just, trade inside of this range until the PMI numbers, so it's better to wait this one out. It's not gonna do anything, at least not for now. ERP Media, hello, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Oh, you got 2/3 of the loss back just by chilling. I see you were scalping this, right? Yeah, it does that. It does that. Okay, there you go. Broke lower. I think you can have up to 5. And again, this is the last day for the 100K account sale for $329. If you guys want to pick it up, I'm gonna pick up one, even though I'm not a trader weight fan, but I might gonna try. It's a good price for a 100K account, though. Current promo is with the code TomSabo100 for the 100K account, and the 25K also has a promo. Anyway, check out the community posts. There's the flyers are there, and the 100K, the best discount right now is the 100K core instant funded account. Yeah, they don't have Rhythmic. I mean, they have Rhythmic, but only on evaluation accounts. So if you go for evaluation accounts, there is Rhythmic, but instant funded accounts, only TraderWeight and Project X. TraderWeight, Project X. I think maybe you can connect with NinjaTrader as well. I think. But the Rhythmic is only on evaluations. Three tops. Yeah. Actually looking good. Alright, so now it seems like it might want to sweep lower. We might have to wait for the PPI numbers. So yeah, Naomi, 850s, very well possible. And officially, I called it 863, the Asia low, because that's when Asia markets open, 8 p.m. But I can see it go down to the 50s, just to mitigate the midpoint at least. And that's a nice round number, 850, just down to this wick. So that's good. It could. Maybe even before the PPI numbers. I'm not entering this one, not here. Maybe I should have entered worst case scenario. If I wanted to take the short, the swing low there, could have entered a short on this gap. TP right here. Risk to reward ratio. Well, could have been dangerous, but yeah, for a 1-to-1. Still a gap here. Okay, getting repriced. Where is the first value gap, by the way? Here's the first fair value gap for London, or first presentation gap, which is so popular nowadays. So here's the first presentation gap. So this could have been a nice short, but I missed that. Anyway. Tell me why. Oh, I have to stop, man. Took the short with 1 micro. Oh yeah. But hey, still 1 micro is good. 1 micro is 1 micro. And so nothing wrong with that. Wow, look at this. Feels like it wants to go lower. Man, I feel the FOMO now. What a nice rejection from that gap. Yeah, I feel the real FOMO now. Too late for me now. But it was still good. Still have time. Yeah, the mini didn't go lower. Yeah, I might be looking for buys, but it would have been better if I see like a nice sweep here at 884. That would have been better. But you know, this one can shift the gap here. So look at this. Shifting this one and making a market structure shift as well could be interesting for longs. Return to the first gap and maybe even go higher. You know, that can happen. But we don't know. So far, it seems like it wants to go higher. Oh, gold. Good question. Didn't talk about gold this morning. Oh wow, the 50-minute looks bad. The 50-minute looks absolutely bad. Previous day high, previous day low. Let's put the midnight level here. New day opening gap, new week opening gap low here. I don't really want to touch gold right now. It's ranging. It feels like it might want to do a down close candle to fill the gap from new week open. Not really liking this. No Asia low, technically, but still we have this gap. Interesting. I mean, it swept the low here. That's true. And shifted structure here. I mean, if you want to risk it, you can go for a long on a retracement to a gap. You know, put your stop somewhere here. You know, go for a 1 to 2 to sweep the highs. It can happen. But I would wait for a pullback, but it's not happening right now. And I don't really like the way gold looks like right now. Yeah, I'm looking at this here. It traded through that gap, NQ. Feels like it might want to go higher. This is technically a bearish order block to the left on the 1 minute. Not really so much on the 5, but it feels like it might want to go and take liquidity at 31. Yeah, now it took the 5-minute liquidity, and I think it wants to go higher. Maybe, I don't know. You have a 5-minute gap up there. But no structure shift to go long on the 1 minute. So that's interesting. Have to wait for the PMI numbers. For now, NQ seem like it wants to go higher. Maybe to price in for the PMI numbers. Not sure. Yeah, it goes higher. What is going on? Is this gonna take out the 52? Feels like it wants to. Feels like it wants to take it out. Nothing on the 3-minute. Nothing special on the 5-minute. But still feels like wants to reach for liquidity above 51. I mean, on the mini, the high is 51.25. On the micro, the high is 51.75. Interesting. Interesting. There's a 5-minute gap there. Let me show you here. Five minutes CB. Might not go for it. Macro is coming in 8 minutes. Let's wait. I mean, that's the only area of possible liquidity. There you go. So 5 minutes CB, and now would be interesting to wait for a setup here, a reaction. Are we going to continue further to that first fair value gap? I feel like we might. 4 days in funded top step. I don't understand why the daily loss is not erased. I don't know. $2,550. I think you might have to go to I mean, it should be locking in once you reach 2,600, I think. Not really sure how you mean that. I wanna dance. Okay, stuck here. Hey, that's right. Ruse is back in the building. No, it's back to New York. Yeah. What's up? What's up? So New York could happen that we're going back to the New York levels, if that's what you mean. Are we going higher here? Wow. Oh, next week is gonna be the clock adjustment again. Oh, then I have to change my schedule. Uh-huh, 1 hour ahead. Technically, it's not going to change on my end. I might have to start earlier in the morning because the 2 a.m. is going to be 1 hour earlier for me. So I have to start at 7 a.m. I might just going to start at 3 a.m. because nothing is happening, because the London session is mostly related to the volume in London. So that would make the kill zone pushing to the start of 3 a.m. up until 6 a.m. So I'm not sure. I think I might gonna stream for that week until the Europe time zones catch up with the US time zone. I did that last year. So I'm gonna start streaming at 3 a.m. up until somewhere between 5 to 6 a.m. on the London session, because there's no point sitting here waiting 2 hours for London Open. Okay, here comes the macro. Here comes the macro. We had a reaction, basically a rejection on the 5-minute CB there. So, Karsten, good morning. Doing okay, thank you. Doing great. Thank you so much, Karsten. Again, really nice of you. I wish you the best as well. And thanks for tuning in, as always. Much appreciated, man. Much appreciated. Thank you. I wish you the best day and week as well. What is happening here? Oops, I have to start something here on Discord. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Still not much happening. Might have to wait for PMI numbers. I mean, they're out, right? Ah, thank you, Karsten. Thank you. Yes, some of it comes. Euro PMI comes out at 10. All right. I'm gonna fix up a drink, and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Please push the like button and subscribe. I'll be right back. I'm gonna drink something. I'll be right back. All right, I see I didn't miss anything. Good morning, Kirk, and good morning, Maria. So nothing happened. All right, just sideways. Just sideways here. Didn't miss anything. All right. All right, let's go. Might go lower. All right, are we gonna have a structure shift to the downside here? Or what's the deal? What is the deal? By the way, let's look at gold because nothing. Oh, look at that. Gold went higher. The issue with gold on this long position is that it never really retraced back lower. Well, maybe here. Maybe there. Yeah, never mind. It was a nice little breakout from gold. But I think it might want to go higher. Anyway, NQ is still just going sideways here. You're short? Yeah. It could go lower actually. We have some nice Asia lows here, almost relative equal lows as well. It didn't actually go down to sweep that level here on the left. So this level here looks good. Might want to go lower, and you know it might go. Needs a structure shift. That's all it needs. I might even jump into a short if it makes a displacement to the downside. I might even jump in. I mean, this could be a short, by the way. Should I jump in here? All right. I jumped in for a short. Very small short. We'll see how it goes. I jumped into a short position. Because why not? For the stream, you know. But, I mean, not the best entry, but only 2 micros. I'd like to see this go lower. In this kill zone event. Yannick's is short on gold. Let's go. Yeah, the volume is a little bit low. Yeah. I really wanted to see a down close candle below 31. Didn't happen. It's something I don't really like. Yeah. Now it goes back up there. It actually lured me into a trap here. And now it might want to squeeze higher. Well, that's why it's just a very small position. But yeah. Oh man. Oh man, what a squeeze. Interesting. Yeah. Now it feels like it wants to squeeze higher. I'm thinking to close my position. Not trusting it. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closed it. Maybe re-enter on another displacement if it goes lower. Maybe I'll re-enter. Not sure. For now, I just close it as it is. It might want to try to break through the mid-level of that 5-minute CB. I don't know. Not sure. But interesting how this gap is still holding. So anything can happen. Anything is possible, I guess. All right. Moving back down a bit. Picking up liquidity. Maybe even going lower. Let's see. $9.63 bottom of the opening candle, which actually reacted. Yeah. Exactly. That's why it's an interesting area here. Like it could be just ranging in this area. Who knows for how long? I'm not sure. Anyway, I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm gonna take a trade on this. Until we are in this range, you know, it's tough. It's tough, I guess. Yeah, exactly, Robert. Yeah, higher time frame, 5-minute, also not looking too good. Actually looks like almost a bullish flag. 15-minute, You know, took liquidity somewhat. Feels like it wants to push higher. 5 and 15 looks bullish right now. This one also feels like wants to push through the mid-level. 957. Relative equal highs, 64. And we also have a volume imbalance here and the first fair value gap up there. It seems like that it wants to reprice that area. Look at this. Well, what can we do, right? So no, I'm not jumping in. It can actually go to 21. I mean, there was a liquidity sweep here, classic entry model here, market structure shift, fair value gap pushing higher. The narrative is like really, like that they really want to push it. Anyway, everybody, I think I'm gonna call it here because I have to go to somewhere. So this is it for now. I'll be back for the New York session. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. We had a good trade, and then I exited one at break even, and this one with a small loss. I'm still up almost 200 bucks. But I don't want to take any trade on this. So thank you again. I'm sorry I'm leaving early. I'll be back for the New York session. So hopefully we'll get some good trades. And thank you so much. If you would like to support, check out the sales. Bulenox still goes with 91%. Take profit trader 50%. No daily loss limit. And no activation fee with MyFundedFutures. And 80% with Apex. And check out the rest. Last day at TickTickTrader for the instant funded account discount. Thank you so much again. I'll be back for New York. All right. God bless you all. Cheers.